Hello everyone, welcome back to SR Tech Lab. In today's video, I'll show you how to install Windows 11 from a bootable USB drive. In my previous video, I explained how to create a Windows 11 bootable USB using Rufus. If you haven't watched that video yet, I highly recommend checking it out first. Now let's begin the Windows installation process. Requirements. Before we start, you'll need a Windows 11 bootable USB drive, a desktop or laptop computer. And if you're performing a clean installation, make sure you've backed up all your important files. A clean installation may erase the data on your Windows drive. Step 1. Insert the USB drive. Insert the bootable USB drive into your computer. Now completely shut down the computer. Step 2. Open the boot menu. Turn on your computer, immediately press the boot menu key. The key depends on your computer manufacturer. For Dell, it's usually F12. For HP, it's F9. For Lenovo, F12. For ASUS, Escape or F8. For Acer, F12. For MSI, F11. And for many Sony VAIO laptops, use the Assist button or F11 depending on the model. Once the boot menu appears, select your USB drive, then press Enter. Step 3. Windows Setup. The Windows Setup screen will appear. Choose your preferred language, select your time and currency format, choose your keyboard layout, click Next, then click Install Now. Product key. If you have a Windows product key, enter it here. If you don't have one, click I don't have a product key. You can activate Windows later. Step 5. Select the Windows Edition. Choose the Windows Edition that matches your license. For most users, this will be Windows 11 Pro or Windows 11 Home. Click Next. Step 6. Accept the license agreement. Read the Microsoft software license terms, check the box to accept the agreement, then click Next. Step 7. Choose Installation. Type Select Custom, Install Windows Only, Advanced. This option performs a clean installation. Step 8. Partition Selection. Now you'll see the list of available drives and partitions. If you're performing a clean installation and you've already backed up your important files, you can delete the old Windows partitions. After deleting them, you'll see Unallocated Space. Select the unallocated space, then click Next. Windows will automatically create the required partitions. Be careful. If your computer has multiple drives containing important files, make sure you don't delete the wrong partition. Always double-check before deleting anything. Step 9. Installing Windows. Windows will now begin copying files and installing the operating system. This process may take several minutes. Your computer will restart automatically during the installation. Do not remove the USB drive until Windows setup is complete or until you're instructed to do so. Step 10. Initial Windows Setup. After the installation is complete, Windows will guide you through the initial setup. Select your country or region, choose your keyboard layout, connect to a Wi-Fi network if needed. Sign in with your Microsoft account, or create a local account if that option is available. Choose your privacy settings. Windows will finish preparing your desktop. Congratulations! You have successfully installed Windows 11 from a bootable USB drive. The next step is to install Windows updates, device drivers, and your essential applications. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to SR Tech Lab for more Windows, Microsoft 365 networking, and IT support tutorials. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. See you in the next tutorial.